Hello and welcome to the Nascar Lewis Cup Series Division 2 Truck Series at Altoona Speedway. 10 to go. Dusknor, of course, is leading. Second place, real surprise, Kyle the Lagger, which you probably should all know by now. And in last place, we have Jimmy 467 Alt 3, who usually dominates these races, and he has not had the best of nights here at Altoona. Everyone's all spread out. No real battles going on. Kyle is losing Dusknorm. Oh, and he spins. No cautions out. Still great. At this rate, Dusknor's gonna catch Jimmy. Two cars wrecked at turn 6. And cautions out. It looks like Freaker 245 and Goku SSJ. And we seem to have a dog on the track. Dusknor leading, Kyle second, Jimmy third, Freaker fourth, and Goku SSJ fifth. Right now, I think Dusknor's gonna win. Here we go, green flag. Jimmy's on the bumper. Kyle not gonna get flung there. Goes into the turn. Dusknor pulling ahead. Kyle second, and we got an issue back there. Caution's out. Jimmy and Goku wreck. All the way in turn 4. Five to go. Kyle needs a good restart to pass Dusknor. See, we have some fights going on at the back. Seems to be having some issues settling for third place on back. Still fighting for a position. Oh, no, 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 no. No, not that. And, well, I kind of planned to end his Division 1 championship. Green flag. Whoa! What the? Whoa. I don't know what happened on that restart. pretty exciting race here with just about 5 laps to go. And it seems like we have a flying dog. No, no, he's just walking. And we have a dog racing, what? Whoa! Kyle's gonna pass too! And we got a big wreck in there. Oof, and they died. That makes no sense. Kyle leading, Dusknor not happy. Back up. Oh, and he's going to the back. Oh, wow. Few laps to go here. Tension's heating up. What the? And they all went on 3. Here we go, here we go. Green flag. Due to the lead for now, Kyle. He's gonna get flung back. Jimmy. Oh no, they wreck. Don't know how many to go. This race is almost over. 2 laps to go. Do great restart. Kyle tries going to Freaker. It's not going to work. Take one turn. Kyle's going to spin, and they keep going. Oh, that shouldn't have been a yellow. Kyle back up to third. Watch out for him making it 3 wide for the lead. Dude choosing the inside lane. Here we go. Green flag. Not a good start for Kyle. Here comes Freaker under. Woof! Freaker! Whoa! They all wreck. Freaker to the lead. A lot of people raging over this. It's gonna be a crazy race, considering people who have dominated this race are now in the back. Freaker and Goku starting on the front row, last green-white checker. This is gonna get interesting. Here we go, last green-white checkered. Here we go, green flag. Freaker keeps the lead. Jimmy to second. Deuce still in fifth. Battle for third. Battle. Oh, Kyle gets flung back into Dew. Freaker pulling away. Oh, Jimmy gets turned. So does Goku. Dew coming through. Dew gets spun by Jimmy. Here to go. White flag out in the air. Jimmy to second. They're wrecking for third. For third down to the line. It's gonna be close. Freaker trying to pull away. Here comes the last car. Rookie's going to win this race. Freaker 245 wins. Jimmy second place. Dusknor third. Fourth, Goku. And fifth will go to Kyle, who rage quit. Unbelievable. Rookie Freaker 245 wins the race on a great restart. And we got a ghost car. Well, that's it for now. See you next time.